This is Adams Canyon Waterfall, one of Utah's most beautiful waterfalls. It is 40 feet high, surrounded by trees and rocks. But before that, let me show you how we got to this beautiful waterfall. This is the start of the hike. The start of this hike was quite challenging. The sandy switchbacks are quite steep and without shade. Just follow the wood fence for about 20 minutes. As we got up higher, we could finally had a view of the surrounding canyon, and on the other side was nice view of the Great Salt Lake. This is a popular year-round hike, and it's always crowded on the weekends, especially mid-morning. So we decided to arrive at 7 o'clock in the morning. When you get up to the canyon, it follows the river with lots of shades and fun things to explore and enjoy. Before you see the waterfall, the trail offers a very scenic view. We crossed a couple of footbridge, got to see a gorgeous stream, and a mini cave with a mini waterfall. I saw this stunning stream. This is a great place to take a rest and catch your breath. My favorite part was seeing great views of the canyon while also being able to hear the river running. There were places that it was steep and rocky. This hike was somewhat challenging for me. Finally, the waterfalls. Adams Canyon Falls drops about 40 feet. It's a very photogenic waterfall. And of course, I got as close to the waterfall as possible for good shots. The Adams Canyon hike is a great way to be close to nature, breathe fresh forest air, see views of the Great Salt Lake, and experiencing the waterfall at the top of the trail. I'm glad to have done this hike. Happy trails! Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. Or click one of these videos. Thanks again and see you in the next video. Bye!